So we're here at 1702 West Wind. This is in the Westerlies, and this is actually on one of the interior courts. It's a great location, probably one of the best locations in all of the Westerlies. And we're going to go inside now and take a short tour of the home. You can see here it's in the courtyard. A lot of privacy in the courtyard. So as we come in, this is a fairly small unit, but it has a lot of utility. These units are stacked on top of each other, so we come in, I guess, really on like the second floor, and this is the living room. And there is a unit underneath us, which is more like a basement apartment. They are not connected in any way, but these are piggyback units, so there'll be a unit underneath. So we're looking at the living room now. It's a fairly good-sized living room, lots of light. You can see out into the courtyard here. You get a lot of privacy when you have a unit that's located there on the courtyard. And then you have this staircase right here coming in the front door. And then as we go back, we're going to pass some storage and a small half bath here that's on the first level. Now these units have been here for a while, so a lot of them have been redone. So they've been remodeled. This has some just basic remodeling. And then right at the back of the home, you can see we have a window here, a lot of light. This is the kitchen and breakfast room, or eat-in kitchen, however you'd want to call it. This has been redone with new counters. It's more like a galley kitchen, but it's just positioned off to the side right here. And the washer dryer, this is a stacked washer dryer that's in the closet here. In some cases, people have put different types of units in there, and usually the washer dryer conveys. So you can see you have storage here now. Since you don't have a basement per se, you're going to have storage throughout the unit, and the builder has found a way to integrate this. There's a lot of storage that was right there. That cubby went under these stairs here, so we're going to go upstairs and see what we have up here. Right at the top of the stairs, we have a full bath. So this unit has two bathrooms, okay? We had the one on the first floor and then the one here on the second floor. I don't know that you would call either one of these a size to be like a master bedroom. They're pretty much the same size. One's in the front of the unit, one's in the back. Both have a lot of storage. They will have a closet, basically, for your clothes and things like that. And then they'll have a storage closet. This is a storage closet here that someone has built in some clothing shelves. But you see we have this other closet over here in the corner. So there's a lot of storage here just in this bedroom. Now we're going to cross back beside the staircase. The staircase is in the middle of the unit. You have a pull down, you have attic storage. So one of the benefits of having the top unit in this piggyback setup is that you have that attic storage. There's more storage really in these units, and of course there's two floors also. You have a pretty normal sized closet there, more storage, and light just streams in. Big windows in all these rooms. The bathrooms are in the core, so you're not going to see a lot of windows in the bathrooms, but in all the other rooms you have big windows. So we go back downstairs. You have a built-in in this unit. So people have done various things with them. This is all carpet. Some of them actually have a wood floor. As we go outside now, I'm going to take a little look around just so you can see what you have here. So this is the courtyard area. All the units are positioned around this, and they face outward also. So there'll be some units that face outward. And then right here, you have a little area that's fenced in for your grilling or something like that. Not far from the unit, or really from any of the units at the Westerlies, is the main swimming pool. There are a lot of amenities here at the Westerlies. You have the pool, you have tennis courts, you have a basketball goal, Tot Lots, and right across the street in the distance there you can see Tyson's Corner. That's how close we are. You can find more information on McLeantownhouse.com. My name is Jay Hurst.